Hello, good morning. Welcome to a new presentation on Stata. Today, I'm going to discuss practically how to merge or append data in Stata. So first of all, what is merge? For example, uh, first of all, we open the data, just which data? My data. We will, this data, my data. My data. These are our data. There are several types of variable, but if we would like to add extra data, for example, occupation data. Occupation. So this is the study ID. This is the another variable, this variable, and there are some another variable, for example, occupation or any other data. Then we have to add the variable in this site. The method of adding this variable is called Mars. Or sometime we have to add some cases. For example, uh, we like to add some cases in the below the data set. And this procedure is called append. So now we need three data set. So please download three data set from the video link. So another data set, for example, occupation data set, occupation, where is data oku. Okay. The same variable, the study ID is same, but the extra variable mother occupation and father occupation. Just we would like to add this variable with main data set. So we can open again the main data set, my data, yes, my data. This is my data. So now we will add the extra data set in here, mother occupation and father occupation. So just we have to go to data, click data, and combined Mars. Okay, Mars. So the key variable is study ID. Study ID is the key variable. And which data will be merged? Just browse and go to D drive, ABC. We will merge the data oku, this data. So click OK. And the method is one to one, many to one. So we will select one to one. So first of all, for merging data, obviously, study ID should be unique. How we select? Just click here. Yes, the data will be merged. Sorry, the data have been merged. So again, clear. Just again open the my data again. Then BR study ID. Sorry, BR study ID. Okay, study ID should be unique. Should be unique. So how to check? Just type duplicates list study ID. Okay, so zero observation are duplicated. That means there is no duplicate. We can open another data set, Oku. Data Oku, on occupation. We can check duplicates list ID. there is no duplicate. So again, we can use my data. So similarly, data combine mass data set. The key variable is main ID, and our interested data set is data oku. Now, okay. Okay, so if we browse data set, yes, these data, two variable have been added against the study ID. Study ID. So we can use do file. We can use do file, clear. Then we can mark 1-to-1 means the study ID unique. Okay. So if we, for example, data is not unique. So if we open the data set, open. So click data editor here. Just we change our study ID that 455 delete and type 4. Then this is duplicate. So now we can check. Or since we have the syntax, so we can use the syntax. So select it and click the run button. Yes. Variable does not uniquely identify observation in the master data set. This is a master data set. So if we check duplicates list main ID, if press enter, yes, two data set, two cases have same ID. For this reason, we have to drop. How to drop? Just duplicate, drop ID, comma, force. Yes, then duplicate ID has been deleted. Now we can merge. Okay. Okay. Then 7,000 and 8,750, 800 and 8,758 data set cases have been merged. One is missing since one of the has been deleted. For this reason, in the using file, the data not merged. So now we can just type if mass double equal to, but we know that after if we have to use two equal, all type of procedure will be described in the next presentation, where I will discuss some logical operator. So mass keep if mass is equal to 3. Okay. Yes. Now drop mass. Okay. This is for all for merging. Another technique is append. So this is the do file. So first we clear the all data. So we can open another data set. My data 2. This my data 2. Okay. This is the variable is same. My data, the variable of my data and my data 2, the variable are same, but number of observation only 10. The my data 2 data set has only 10 cases. On the other hand, in the my data set, it has 8,000 data set. But our objective now, I have to add those variables, those 10 cases here. Okay. So remember, please, the number of observation is 8759. So I can append. So appending, for appending data set, obviously the variable name, all variable name will be same. If there is any variable which does not match with the other data set, then this variable will be not appended. So first go to combine data set, then click append, just append. Okay, then browse. We would like to append my data 2. Okay, my data 2, then okay, just okay, just okay. So if we yes, these cases have been added. These are the original data set and these are the additional cases. And the syntax is that we can paste here using this syntax. Using this syntax, we can merge data with another data set where study ID is same but variable not same. And for appending, the variable name should be same, otherwise it will be not appended. Thank you very much. For practicing purpose, please download 3 data set from video link and you can practice based on this syntax.